today's video, I will be unboxing this jewelry set because there's something so cool about it. You can make your own jewelry with no string, no more buying string, no more hassling with it. Let's just see what it has inside because I'm so excited. So here's our box. Let's see what's inside. Our paper, some headbands, and beads. And there's a ton of them. Empty now. Look at all of these beads. And the cool thing is you can click and connect these beads so you can make a whole lot of stuff. A really cool bracelet. And let's start off with one. And I started a few right here. And we have a few letters like the letter J. And then I can keep on connecting. So here's our final product for the bracelet, and you can make any design. You don't have to do this one. And here's a little design for a ring, but you can go even farther. And in our instructions book or our guide, you can see this girl. She made lots of creations, and here are some hints or ideas you can make. And it doesn't have to be these. Of course, you can be creative, and it says interesting creativity, hands-on wisdom, parent-child interaction, and lead the fashion. So you don't have to be the bling bling. Interesting creativity. And it's simple. Here are the instructions and some examples. Let's put this big necklace together. And there, there we go. Oh, this is a big necklace. This looks so pretty. My sister has loads of bracelets and rings and a necklace and a headband, or you can make your custom headband and make it like a necklace and put it on your head. Look how pretty it is. You can make rings, headbands, or this type. You can make earrings, really long necklaces. You can make bracelets. You can make about anything you want. And the cool thing is there's some letters and numbers so you can make your own name. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want any information on this product, the link will be down below. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!